Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? I'm gonna make this video short and quick because I cannot win anymore. The sun goes down way too quick. Daylight savings time sucks. It's cloudy out. So anyways, with that said, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'm gonna recap it real quick. This is a 2016 Ford F-250 Lariat 6.7 liter turbo diesel 4x4 PowerStroke. Super nice truck. We just did a full 4.5-inch brand new rough country suspension lift, all 4 brand new rough country shocks, 4 brand new Chrome FUEL Mavericks, 20x12 Chrome FUEL Mavericks. I think they're negative 44 offset with brand new lug nuts, brand new 35 1250/20 Atturo Blade MT tires. This truck's been deleted. It's tuned. It's got a built tranny. It has all LED lights, including the mirrors and fog lights. So they're all LED. The interior is all LED, and I'm going to open up for you. I'm going to keep this video short and quick, just for the reason being that you guys can watch easier, and you don't have to listen to me blab around for 20-30 minutes. So here it is, really quick. Ready? Open up all the doors so you can see. Starting off with the interior. Sunroof, backup camera, 114,000 miles. Painted, like I said in the previous video, I painted all these window switch covers gloss black, same color as the truck, to match the color of the truck. Factory subwoofer is awesome behind the seat. You can't beat that. Under the hood, we'll pop that. Nice black floor mats. All the window switches on the truck all the steering wheel switches are really, really nice. It's got all your auxiliaries here. It's got your exhaust brake right there. It's got your 4x4 switch, your downhill descent, traction control, backup camera, navigation, little secret compartment right there. I don't care what you guys put in there and what you do. Show you the backup camera real quick. Hopefully my Bluetooth doesn't turn on. Ford, built tough. Door ajar, heated seats, cooled seats, backup camera. Let's shut that off. Let's go under the hood. On the underside, it's clean as hell. You can see all brand new suspension, drop brackets, and everything. You guys are like, why are you doing another video, Mark? Because I wasn't happy. I know I told you guys maybe Monday or Sunday or Monday. I couldn't let that marinate down inside me. I have to get it off my chest. It wasn't good enough, and I wanted it better. So I'm keeping this video short and quick. Tell me how you like it in the comments. Minus the darkness that we're approaching and what's going on here. So there's the engine. Nothing too crazy spectacular about it, besides the block off plates, the deletes, factory air filter. Coolant's all good, everything like that. Fluids are changed, fuel filters are changed, LED lights even under the hood. I got my fingerprints on the hood, son of a beehiver. Only OEM Ford Motorcraft filters, and that's it. So with that said, hope you guys liked the video. This is Mark signing out, keeping it short and quick. See ya. Subscribe. Boom. Boom. Holler at you.